Hello everyone, today I'm going to be sharing regarding HIFU. HIFU stands for High Intensity Focused Ultrasound, which is the latest skin treatment for skin tightening. It is a non-invasive and painless replacement of facelift. This device uses focused ultrasound energy to target deeper layers of the skin to promote collagen remodeling and to form firmer skin. This treatment is suitable for anyone above the age of 30 with mild to moderate skin laxity. This treatment is done once a month for at least 3 sessions, and the results can be obtained a couple of months after the last session. This device can be done for the face and neck for skin tightening. If you are someone who has skin laxity issues and is afraid to go under the knife, do call us at GLOJAS for further information regarding our non-invasive skin tightening. Always remember, GLOJAS brings out the best in you.